Yo, what's up, fam? We are driving up to Lakeside today. We are officially back from Europe. It was such a fun trip, getting back to Ireland, seeing some old friends, hanging out with Faisal in London. So much good stuff. Plus, being able to take Rachel to England and Scotland and Ireland for the first time ever. That was pretty cool. Did a lot of fun stuff. It was a great time. Of course, make sure you're checking out all of those videos on the YouTube channel if you want to see some of our explorations. But now it is game time. We're back, and I'm heading up to Lakeside because we are getting ready for the season. We are getting the laundromat and the Bluebird ready to rock and roll, and hopefully we'll have the Bluebird open in the next 3 weeks. That's going to be kind of crazy, so we're going to be grinding and ready, hopefully, for Mother's Day weekend, because there are some activities happening up at Lakeside during Mother's Day, and we would love to have the Bluebird open for that. It'll be a perfect time also to do like the trial run to see if all of our systems and things that we're setting up actually work. But right now I am heading up to do some laundry. We are starting to get more bins of laundry from the hotel, which means more and more people are coming up to Lakeside, so the season is getting ready to roll. I'm so stoked, I can't wait. So let's get up there, do some laundry. It's a beautiful day up on the lake. We're at Lakeside. It's time to go grab the 1 bin of laundry, knock that out, get a few more business things done, clean the laundromat as well. It's a good day. Look at this tree. Beautiful. Laundry is rolling. So we have about 15 minutes left for our loads of laundry. Then we get to dry them, then we get to fold them, but I gotta go pay some rent now while those are being washed. I love the people that are kind of at the front desk at Lakeside. They're so friendly, and actually they gave me some information that's very important. Apparently there's a birding weekend, like the first or second weekend in May, so that may need to expedite our process for the Bluebird, or at least have like it partially open. A soft open would be prime, because there's birders coming up here for like 3 or 4 days. It's gonna be so cool. Maybe they can teach me some stuff about birding. I think that'd be sick. But we also got to have paninis available for them. We're gonna do it. We got the grind. Let's go. Now I gotta go back and do some more laundry. Laundry is in the dryer. Took out the trash. Now we have a little condo actually right up there. That's where That's where we live during the season. So we're getting ready to move into our little condo. I have a few things up there I gotta get. We gotta get the Bluebird credit cards so we can buy some passes. We gotta go to the bank. A lot of errands to do, but go check out the condo. Let's go. That was our little condo. I'll give you like a full tour once we are up here full time. So we're moving everything up and moving in this weekend so we can be up here to get everything ready to rock and roll. Now though, I got to go back and do some laundry. I'm sure the laundry and the dryers are just about done. Let's see. Oh, beautiful. They're done. How about these sheets? This is a big boy. They are still a little damp. What you do, you take a sheet, just your bed sheet, fold it kind of in a long way. Then you take the correct amount of pillowcases, set that on top. Then you take the fitted sheet that's folded into a square, set that on top, fold the sheet and the pillowcases over. Then you have this, a lovely set. Clothes have been washed. Time to do the delivery. Just pushing this laundry on the road. All right, we're quickly off to the bank before it closes in 5 minutes, literally. And then we've got to head home back to Delaware for the first Delaware Rising practice of the season. Holy cow, and I can't dilly-dally. I've got to go. We now have the 2-hour journey home. It's just gonna be so nice when we live up here, so we can do all the stuff all the time for our businesses and not need to drive 2 hours home. But I'm driving home because of an exciting activity. Preseason officially kicks off today, and we have a lot of players that are still in college. So all of our players will not be there, but we'll have the local boys, some of the older gentlemen on the squad. Look at me saying older. I'm old. I'm too old to even play now. But some of the older representatives on the squad participating in practice today. It'll be good to see some of the old faces and the new faces. Let's drive. Quick pit stop for gas, but I bought some snacks. Veggie chips because I felt bad for buying these. Oh, little donuts. I'm so unhealthy. We've made it just in time. Just in time for the first practice for a 2023 season of Delaware Rising, baby. Let's go.